So, how much biryani are we cooking?
3.5 kg.
Okay, how many onions for 3.5 kg biryani?
3 kg.
And how much oil?
1.25 kg.
And how long to roast it?
Oh, 30 minutes about.
Okay, half an hour. I'm here at Zaika Caterers and they've started cooking the biryani for us today. And this is going to be 3.5 kg biryani, right? How many people can eat 3.5 kg biryani?
3.5 kg, 25 to 30 people. Okay.
25 to 30 people. Okay. And how much time does it take?
It takes 1.25 hours. We first caramelize the onions and then we marinate the chickens. We add the masala and then we dum it. So it takes 2.25 hours.
Okay, 1.25 hours. Okay, so the whole biryani takes 1 hour to 1 hour 15 minutes to cook. And we cook the dum too. We were in Sliat mode right now. But let's go. I've covered a biryani before, but now we're covering the Bhatiyara style of biryani. So let's see how this biryani is made. In fact, they've even started the cooking. They're browning the onions right now. And yeah, we'll show all the processes of this recipe.
After roasting the onions, we add the masala.
What masalas do we add right now? So what's all this?
This is garlic paste. Put this garlic paste in the tomato.
Oh, so this is tomato. This is nothing but tomato puree.
Yeah, this is tomato puree, and we put the garlic paste in it.
How much garlic paste?
About 100 grams garlic paste.
What's this?
This is green chili paste.
Okay, so this is green chili paste.
We put about 75 grams of green chili paste. And this is ginger paste. We put 75 gram of.
How much tomato puree did we take?
300 gram.
Okay, so you mix the tomato in a puree and now you have added the ginger, the green chili and the garlic.
And in this we will add turmeric, coriander and red chili powder.
How much turmeric did you take?
This is about 75 grams.
What is this now?
This is red chili powder. Okay, this is 50 grams.
So this is for 3.5 kg of biryani.
And this is coriander powder.
And this is?
Now this is the garam masala, the Everest or any brand masala. We add the garam masala for this.
You can take any company for garam masala, right?
Yeah, you can take any company.
So biryani masala or garam masala?
This is the garam masala. You can take biryani masala as well.
How much garam masala?
This is about 40 grams of garam masala.
What is this?
This is cumin seeds.
So this is quantity cooking and they are preparing the chicken as well.
I've seen that you're taking time to cook the onions, right? Yes, onions take time to cook.
Okay, some spiritual enlightenment here, very nice. And now what are we doing?
And now we'll add all this masala that we prepared. We'll add this in the onions.
अच्छा एक मिनट आराम से
We add this after caramelizing the onions.
Yes.
And how long do we roast it for?
About 5 minutes.
Okay, so we don't have to roast the masala too much.
If we roast too much, it will burn.
Okay. How much water did you take?
About 1 liter.
Okay, 1 liter of water. Okay, so how long have you been cooking biryani now?
I have an experience of 18-19 years.
Okay, 18 and 19 years. Wow. You always cook in bulk?
Yeah, always been bulk.
And where did you work before? I used to work in Gujarat before. So Chand Bhai came from Gujarat to Mumbai. Do let me tell you that do try this biryani and do like our video and share our video and subscribe to our channel. You're watching my kind of production right now, my kind of vlogs. And stay tuned. And authentic Bhatiara style biryani coming to your home right now. This is the cater style biryani. So it's coming to your kitchen. So keep watching.
Now the masala is ready, so we'll turn off the stove right now.
Okay, can you repeat, please?
The masala is ready, and we'll turn off the stove and we'll add the curd and the chicken. And we did not add the salt yet, so we'll add the salt as well.
How much chicken is this?
This is 3.5 kg chicken.
How much?
3.5 kg.
Okay, so the stove is off right now while adding the chicken. Is there a reason we turn off the stove?
Yeah, we turn it off so as to let it cool down a little bit, and then we add the curd at the end.
Okay, so the curd cannot be added hot.
Yeah, curd cannot be added hot.
If we add the curd in hot mixture, it will get spoiled. Okay, so that's why we turn off the gas. Yes. So he's putting the dahi here, and while adding the curd, he's turned off the flames. So Chand Bhai says that adding the curd in hot mixture would turn it bitter. So that's why we turn off the flames. How much curd did you add?
This is 1 kg curd.
Okay, so 1 kg curd.
And this is salt. Now salt we add according to taste.
So usually it's according to taste, but here he has added 1 fistful and 1.5 fistful.
Now we'll chop in the coriander in this.
How much coriander?
This is a fistful of coriander. So we mix it for 5 minutes and
Okay, so 5 minutes we mix.
and now we'll boil the rice separately, and then we'll add the rice into this mixture, and then we'll dum it.
So you soaked the rice before?
Yes, we did.
For how long do we soak the rice?
We soak it for 1 hour.
And how much rice is this?
This is 3.5 kg of rice.
3.5 kg, and he has soaked it for 1 hour, and now
जी
and how long do we boil it for?
We boil it for 15 minutes.
Now you're adding the salt, right? Okay, so this is 3.5 kg of biryani, and how much salt did you add?
This is 2 fistful of salt, about 100 grams. So the rice is now 50% cooked.
Okay, rice is ready.
This is 50% cooked, and now we'll dum the rice, and the rest 50% will cook in the dum.
So after the rice is cooked 50%, you'll have to add it in the masala mixture.
Turn on the stove now.
Okay, so now we'll turn on the stove. And how long do we cook it for?
We dum it for 45 minutes. The chicken will cook in 45 minutes.
Okay, so this is high flame.
Yes, high flame.
Okay, you've added tawa below the container. and now we'll dum it for 45 minutes. Do you add something above this?
We add color above this.
What color is this?
This is orange and this is green color.
Okay, so he's adding the orange and green edible food color.
Now we'll use paper and cover with lid and dum it.
Okay, so this is the whole process. Now we don't have to add anything above this now. So the whole process of biryani has been covered right now, and I'll wait for the next 45 minutes and I'll taste how the biryani tastes, and I'm sure it's very good because you have 18 years of experience. So let's wait 45 minutes. This was a very simple process. And how many people can eat this biryani, did you say?
30 to 35 people.
30 to 35 people can eat this biryani. You'll get all the wows at the party. I'm getting a bit impatient right now. This will be very delicious. I'll have to wait 45 minutes right now. And let's wait 45 minutes and we'll see how the biryani tastes. But before that, like, share and subscribe to my channel, My Kind of Productions, and Zaika Caterers. Do order from them. I have the address in description, and they'll deliver anywhere in Mumbai, and under 2 kilometers radius. They'll give free delivery. And they also take party orders. So keep watching My Kind of Productions. So the biryani is ready right now?
Yes.
So are you mixing this right now?
No, I'm only stirring the top rice.
Okay, so the color mixes.
Yes.
ये फुल है ये कितने का 70 रुपीस
Our biryani is ready right now. This is really spicy and colorful. This is half plate. 50 rupees for half plate. Wow. So here we go, guys. I'm ready to sample my chicken dum biryani. Look at the color. Wow. This is such a beautiful color. Wow. This is steamy and this is colorful and this is smells so good. Oh my god. This is the chicken biryani, and I'll share the whole recipe with you. So the recipe I shared with you, and you can see the flavors, you can see the colors, and you can see how steamy it is right now. This is so hot and beautiful. Okay, you want to eat the biryani? Okay, do one thing. Open your mouth. This is from my side. Independence Day Festival Special. All the colors. This is so special and eat special. Festival special. Say ah. Ah. No? I'll eat it.
Wow.